Hey there guys, check out what I'm standing next to right now. This is the all-new Jeep Grand Cherokee L. So this is the new generation of Grand Cherokee, totally redesigned, and this is also the new 3-row option. As you can see from the side, it's obviously a lot larger than the 2-row model is going to be. Take a little look here at the updated exterior design. Very handsome and sophisticated looking vehicle in person. This is our updated key fob, brand new for the Jeep brand. Really nice, clean, classy look to it. You have remote start, of course. And then here is what you really want to check out, this interior. Very beautifully appointed interior. This is actually the limited trim level. So this is a mainstream option that a lot of you guys are probably going to choose. It lines up pretty nicely on price to a fully loaded Telluride, Highlander, Pathfinder, stuff like that. As you can see with our options, we're at $53,000. So just kind of touching around on some of the cabin materials. Padded dashboard, stitching, leatherette, a really nice looking faux wood trim that goes everywhere. It looks super nice. You can get real leather, or real wood if you go for a really high-end example. I love the steering wheel, great design. I hope they put this in all the newest Jeep products. And we'll go ahead and start up here. Got the digital gauges. So this is a 10.25 inch full digital setup. As you can see, it scales up and down like a virtual cockpit system in an Audi. You can choose a lot of different functions here for design. Really user intuitive and very nice graphics, so I'm impressed by this setup. Looking over here at some of our other things, we've got the large 10-inch display here as well. This is going to be kind of a floating design. It is optional. We have the Uconnect 5 system, so that's the brand new version. It's got wireless Android Auto and wireless Apple CarPlay. You have a lot of cool functions in here. We have fam cam, so we can spy on the different seats. You just kind of click and see what's going on in each of the 3 rows. And you got the rotary shifter, which is actually made of real metal. That's a very cool touch. But without wasting a whole lot of extra time, let's go ahead and take this out on the road for a spin. As always, we've got all the details you would ever want to know about this model in a dedicated full review that's already live on our channel. And that's going to include all the details, including my full driving impressions. But let's go ahead and get to it. So there was a good acceleration up to about 65 miles per hour. Now with this model, you're going to have the Pentastar V6 engine on most of the trim levels. So you've got a 3.6 liter V6. It's going to be making 293 horsepower, 260 pound-feet of torque. As you can see, power for this is very good. Definitely plentiful for this type of vehicle. So this does have an 8-speed automatic transmission. Of course, you have several different 4-wheel drive systems that you can choose between. Being a Jeep, it's going to be very capable. And of course, ride quality is very nice. Now this is going to be a short drive for today because there is a customer actually waiting to check out this all-new model. But that being said, like I mentioned already today, you can make sure to check out our full review if you want to see our full driving impressions, as well as all the information you could ever want to know about this Jeep Grand Cherokee L. But until then, we'll go ahead and conclude this video. Thanks for watching. We'd really appreciate it if you'd subscribe and make sure to check out all of our other content.